today I'm gonna show you how to make PDF in iPhone. So open your photo apps and select photo that you wanna PDF. So I'm just select this image format PDF. So at first select image, click on to share option, scroll down, save to file. At first need to move this image photo gallery to file apps. Select location, like I'm select download location, press on right mark, now it's move. So open my file apps, go to download section, now successfully move this image. So three line, press on select, I'm just select image, click on three dot, showing here to quick action and showing here to create PDF. Now successfully create this PDF. Now I'm opening. So look here, this is a PDF file. So that's it.